Hello, this is Alberto, the CEO of Didit, and today I'm going to show you a quick demo about what is Didit. So Didit is the most advanced identity verification platform. That means that if you're a company, an organization that has to integrate anything related to identity verification, that means KYC, phone verification, biometric authentication, anything really, you should go to Didit. And why? Because it's super easy to use, like amazing user experience, super easy to integrate as well, amazing security, everything automated, super flexible for any kind of use case, and super affordable. And we even have we are the only company in the world that has a freemium model, so a free KYC plan. So what the user sees is something like this, okay? For instance, in this case, it's a KYC workflow, but they can just integrate, generate a workflow, and then directly the end user of the customer will see this. As you see, everything is real time. We have a lot of AI models in the front end, in the back end. We try to run inference in less than 2 seconds, everything automated. So this is one of the key difference about Didit and competitors like Jumio, Persona, SumSop, and so on. This is the user view, but then we have the customer view, which you have organizations, and then you have, in each organization, you have application, and you have a balance, and you can top up. So it's a credit system. But pretty much here on this view, the customer can see all the verification happening on their application. So they can see, for instance, the videos of the process in case they have added the ID verification. They can see all the data extracted, validations, warnings, pretty much everything fully automated. So they can see everything. One of the cool things that they can do with it as well is just creating a specific workflow for their use case. So they can go here directly. They can just select the features that they need. For instance, like the questionnaire, the email verification, phone verification. They can see all these on real time. For every feature also, they can modify exactly which countries they want to set, for instance, and specifically a lot of configuration related to each service. For instance, if they want to accept duplicated user or not. They can even add custom style directly to the workflow. So everything is fully branded. Not only that, but also they can host it on their own domain through DNS redirection. So super flexible for all kind of use cases here. They can add questionnaires as well. So they can create a specific questionnaire for the verification flow. They can add people into the blocklist, so they could not be accepted next time on the application. They can blocklist faces, they can blocklist documents, and so on. And all this is everything through super good developer experience. So we tried really to optimize developer friendly experience. So you just have to create a session, you send with the API key that you retrieve from the console, you send the workflow ID, and voila, you have the URL, and then you can render it as an A-frame, as a web view, or with a redirect and a callback. And you have also access to a specific standalone API services if the customer want to access it directly. So super easy. The customer can integrate webhooks as well, and super smooth. And voila, this is a 3-minute video, and thank you for the time.